Hello, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be playing at Cat. I love kitties, so this is like the perfect game for me. And also, I don't need this cat hat. That's better. But today we're going to make it to the full end. Even though I'm in the like level 24, which would make me go to the end in a few minutes. We'll still break tons of things. So let's just get started. Let's start breaking these. Yeah, is the lady gonna talk this in this whole video? Probably yes. And also, why is she right there? Oh, okay, that explains it. I should have not started craziness when she was in the house though. Guess I could destroy this cat painting. Looks pretty though. I like it. Yeah, you worked on the hard on the cat painting that I like us cats to destroy, and also no Roblox stuff today. Destroy the slide, destroy these castles, destroy this awesome pool. I will destroy everything. Oh wait, what's up here? Nothing. It's okay. No, wait, no. Sorry about that. I wasn't expecting that. I have to be careful when I jump around. Because a lot of craziness will go on. Like me getting stuck in the ground. I had to like restart to get out of that. Destroy these. Now what the heck did she just say? No idea, but we're destroying this lawnmower now. See ya. Well, she doesn't have to cut the grass. Nice. City! Finally, we can go to the city. Before we go, though, let's destroy these two things. Okay, now we're good. Your dad planted that tree? How awesome is that? Car. Kinda just want to start getting more through into this. One more car, and that's all I'm destroying in the town. I bet there's a million places that are going to be going over there. Wait, why is this sliding? Hmm. The farmer's market. I love going to shops like this. It's an outside beautiness. Ooh, I like ripe strawberries. I like those really like dark red ones. I like those the most for some reason. Fireworks. Cool. We're almost there already. I love the chicken music. Just buckness. Woo! Didn't get stuck in the wood that time. Oh, that would be fun to destroy. Ha! Destroying it. How would they get to school? Drive. You're with your own car. Sorry about that, school. Don't need to destroy anything around here. Want to destroy somewhere else. I would like to be destroying killer kitty litter. Oh, what's this? Fish. I love fish. Oh no, not this. I like the dogs actually, though. I like dogs. If I had to choose which one was better, it would have to be dogs. But still, cats are good too. Wait, what? What the? Okay, sorry about that, guys. Another malfunction there. The game's being a little glitchy today, but that's okay. What movie? I wouldn't think of any movies like that. Because it was its friend. She gives good jokes. Nope. Oh. Ducky. Duct tape. We're almost out of here. I'm your biggest fan. Well, thank you. That. How the heck did I make that? Yeah, we should definitely go in here. Ferris wheels look cool. Never read one before. I'm sorry, but you can't have your enjoyable day. Now this. Peasants. I think there should be enough destroying in here. Almost there. We're almost near the end. Come on, come on. Oh, there's a party going on here. I'll get a party hat on. This'll work. There we go, I acted normal. Yes, we're at the last part. That's where I got trapped, but that's okay. Yes, the cat lady. You've been a bad cat, but I forgive you. Let's go home. Rebirth. Well, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.